Chris, we're at MACH 2018. We see you at a lot of shows. Now, I've seen this machine and we've reviewed the AG60L, but automation and EDM, explain more.
So the idea of today was, as you said, you've seen the AG60 and you've also seen the ALC 400G, which we'll talk about in a minute. What we wanted to show here was the ability to connect an automation device to the machine tool. It's got the ability to load up to 80 tools in the carousel, and also the ability to load pallet systems that will help to load workpieces on the machine as well. It's really just to keep the machine running, so it's all about uptime, profitability, efficiency. So we're basically just making sure that what a customer buys, it gives them the ability to do more going forward, so keep the machine running.
Lights out manufacturing?
Yeah, exactly, that sort of thing. It's not a huge thing in the UK. We're trying to promote it to try and obviously maybe get operators away from the machine and let the robot do the machining for them. And
Erowa, we see a lot of automation in the UK with Erowa. Good partner?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's Sodick's preferred automation. Obviously, they're automation supplier as well, so we're just doing our best to promote their kit as well.
Now, also, you have other machines, so you want to talk about the...
I will. Yeah, I'll show you the ALC 400G here, which is again with a machine that we've shown you before. We did a presentation for you on the 600G before in the showroom. Again, all we're doing here is just showing you something a little bit different, so the ability to have additional rotary table on there. It's a very accurate device, 5-second accuracy, nice compact unit. We're obviously showing a rotary piece in there. A couple of other things I'll show you as well, which is a Renishaw probe system that gives the customer the ability to probe the job maybe prior to doing the workpiece and post doing the workpiece, so that it can check to see if the operation has been successful from an accuracy point of view, and also obviously means that he doesn't have to take the workpiece off. He can check it, and if it needs some more work doing on it, maybe to bring it to size, then obviously he's got the ability to do that before he moves the workpiece. And then we've got a camera system on here as well, very accurate CCD camera, 1 micron camera system with an additional screen here. So again, you've got the ability to take photos or see imagery of the workpiece once it's been machined, so that you can check accuracy and surface finish and size and all those things as well. So, yeah.
So do a lot of your customers actually sort of prefer this type of system, or is it just something you're showing for the show?
Yeah, that's an interesting point. It's not something that a lot of customers ask for. What we're trying to show is just the ability or the connectivity of additional auxiliary units onto the machine tool. So basically we're saying, you know, if you come to us and you want super high end and you want to check everything to microns, we've got the ability to do it. Connect additional rotary tables. It's just all about the flexibility of Sodick really going forward.
When you say rotary tables, I don't see many of these on EDM machines, to be fair.
Well, no, it just, again, you know, a customer might come to us with an awkward application, something like this. This is a complex spline here. It's just really giving him the option to do things that you know, it's the typical Sodick ethos really, to create things that don't exist. And you know, just a bit of flexibility going forward really.
I've noticed something else on your stand. There's a little box over there.
Yeah, there is, yeah.
Well, can you explain to us what that's about?
Of course, yeah, we can talk to you about that. So this is a model of our new facility that we're going to be moving to in April next year. We've just signed the deal on it. This is a currently 44,000 square foot facility with the option to take another 8,000 square feet as well. So in total 52,000 square feet. So this is a purpose-built machine tool display environment, glass-fronted showroom at the front, and then the ability to have manufacturing or manufacturing facilities as well, should we want to do it. Video obviously showing the bird's eye view of the facility as well. So yeah, this is going to be happening in April next year. So
and what benefits is that going to give the customer?
Well, actually, this is going to be a Sodick Europe building, so Sodi-Tech are going to take a part in this as well, and it's about basically going forward with the company. You know, it's the ability for us to support our customers with a nicer showroom environment, loads of room, 120 car parking spaces here. It's all about the progress of Sodick going forward. Obviously, they've done really well. And this is just the next stage for us, really, getting the company getting bigger and bigger and more successful.
I mean, your current facility, I've been many years visiting you, talking to you, and you always struggle for room, you always struggle for machines, so I presume this is a step forward.
Yeah, that's right. I think it's testament really to the success of Sodick as a company. We started in a small facility on the other side of Coventry. There was only 4 or 5 of us working there. started supporting those small tool makers in the middle of Birmingham, and the whole company's just grown and grown and grown, and this is obviously testament to the success of Sodick in the UK. We've obviously got a great team behind us, great applications, great service, and obviously great sales team as well, so it's you know, it's a nice testament really. It's a nice pat on the back for everybody that we're doing so well.
When are you moving in?
Hopefully this time next year. So we're going to start, we bought the land now and we're going to start building it within the next couple of weeks, to be honest. So watch this space, and we'll invite you to come and see us in the new facility hopefully this time next year.
Chris, always a pleasure to be on your stand. Good luck for the rest of the show.
Thank you, mate. That's great to see you.